In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use LaTeX in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to insert both block and inline equations to create professional-looking math and scientific notes. Open your Notion page and place the cursor where you want to add an equation. To create a block equation, type equation and select equation from the menu. Enter your LaTeX code in the editor, then press enter. Notion will automatically render the equation as a separate block. If you want to place an equation within a sentence, type, enter your LaTeX code, then type again. Notion will format it as an inline equation that flows with the surrounding text. To edit an equation later, simply click on it, update the LaTeX code, and click outside the editor. Notion will instantly refresh the formatted equation. If your equation doesn't display correctly, check your LaTeX syntax for errors and make sure you've used the correct equation block or inline equation format. That's how to use LaTeX in Notion. Thanks for watching.